All right, this is our midpoints level 5 example. This is the I do question of your guided notes. And it says that M is the midpoint between F and G. So we have line segment FG and it says M is the midpoint. It says that FM is equal to 5y plus 13 and mg is equal to 5 minus 3y. And it asks us to find the length of fg. Okay, the first thing we need to do is solve for our variable, and we know since m is the midpoint that what? This line segment is congruent to, or the same length as, this line segment. So we can actually say 5y plus 13, 5y plus 13 is equal to 5 minus 3y. Sorry. So this line segment is equal to this line segment because m is their midpoint. Okay, so I set them equal to each other. We combine like terms. Okay, I'm going to rewrite this. Okay, I'm now going to move my 13 over here. And I will rewrite it again, bring down my 8y equals negative 8. To get y by itself, I'm going to get rid of this 8. Since it's 8 multiplied by y, I'm going to do the opposite and divide, and they will cancel out, and I will divide by 8. So y equals negative 8 divided by 8, negative 1. So now I know my y. But once again, it was asking me for this distance. It was asking me for the length of FG, line segment FG. So I have to plug my y back into my equation. Okay, I'm going to do that first by writing this out. FG is equal to what? It's equal to FM plus mg. So FM is 5y plus 13 plus mg, 5 minus 3y. I'm going to combine my like terms to simplify this expression. FG, line segment FG, is equal to 5y minus 3y is 2y plus 13 plus 5 is 18. So FG is equal to 2y plus 18. I will say this again. How did we get this equation? FG, this whole distance, is equal to FM plus mg, right? This is what we learned before when we were talking about addition, additional adding lengths on a line segment. Okay, so we know my y. I'm going to plug it in. FG equals 2 times y, negative 1, plus 18. FG equals negative 2, which is 2 times negative 1, plus 18. So FG equals 16. That is my answer. That is the length of FG. Okay, I will write this out. Kind of step 1, I'll just go through it again. Step 1 was setting these equal to each other because they are congruent, right? And then solving for y. So then I solved for y to find y equals negative 1. Then I'm looking for FG, and I know this plus this equals the whole length. So that's what I did here. FM plus mg equals the whole thing. That's step 3. Okay, and then I solve for my answer. So 4 is combine like terms and solve.